What is going on, my party people, money squad? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to all the new family members to the channel. We're gonna cut to the chase. We're gonna get to the meat and potatoes of this video. We're gonna make it short but sweet. But y'all already know you gotta check out the fam with MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ 313. Check out the Who Has the Heat channel, and check out all of my featured channels. Other than that, let's go. Now y'all already know the silver toe women's are coming out, but you have an alternate, right? You got an alternate. You got this boring box. I got it from the Navy Exchange last night. You see that? $92.99 PP personal pair. So just the retail price, $115. I had a $5 coupon, $87. Official colorway, black, white, light smoke gray, and all of that stuff. You got the UK size on here, and bam, you got the stamper ramp, you got the 23 paper, and you have the Jordan 1 mid white shadow, like so. Man, it's another shoe that looked ginormous on camera, just like those other mids. Man, my foot gonna look like Ronald McDonald. But it'd be shout out to all of the San Antonio Spurs fans, or if you are a Raider fan, Raider Nation I am. Right, let's get into it. Underneath, black trademark R on the toe, black leather. Got some good kind of wrinkle stinker right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let's get up close and personal. Not bad. Black laces, air on the tongue. The Jumpman, like he got a full Opu. You know, Opu is stomach. Like he got a full Opu on there. Look at that coming on the side. That leather panel, not bad. Got a little bit of wrinkle stinkle in the swoosh, and as you can see, the stitching is right on. The check, the swoosh, right? Then you got that Air Jordan embossed up here, coming around the ankle. You got more of this gray, and you got black inside the sock liner, which is dope. You ain't got to worry about it getting it dirty. That's a really good thing. Now you see some more of that stinker wrinkle football leather right there, basketball leather. Coming around on the media side, pretty much the same thing. I don't know, I'm looking at this and just make me start to cringe when I think this could have some glitter, but hopefully got good materials. You won't be seeing the glitter shining like diamond on this shoe. Inside, you see you have 4/120 to 6/420, roughly about 2 months for these joints. And then you have your shoe tree, right? Your shoe tree inside here. You have a 10 to 12, it says on the shoe tree. So I'm loving this a lot, but I'm just like, god damn, it's a big ass shoe. It looked like a size 12, looked like some butt ripples, but hey, it is what it is. Mids are in, so you either in or you out, but I'm feeling these mids. So with that being said, only lit meter. You feel me? Because I think I'm like 11 away from 6.4. We moving slowly but surely. But on a little meter, I'm going to give these about a 4.75 out of 5. That's right. 4.75 out of 5. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Is that too high? Is this not your cup of tea? Are you not entertained? Do you not like these? Not just kidding. But yes, you let me know what you think about these mids. I know everybody like the high. Good luck this week, everybody who's going out for the Carmine and Clots and all that other stuff. I'll be trying to do my thing. I think the trophy room ones drop today. I'll be glad. I mean tomorrow, or shock drop or whatever. I'll be glad when that release is over with. Probably the worst, most hype releases in a long time. But other than that, enough of me ranting. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. We're going to continue grinding. We out. Peace.